So here we have our pizza. It's cooked. I've put some fresh oregano leaves on it. It looks delicious. It smells amazing. And it's all ready for dinner. And now I'm going to show you how to make the basic yeast dough that's going to be able to make 5 different things. Okay, so let's go ahead. What I've got here is 5 cups of general flour, all-purpose flour. I've got 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm also going to add to that 1 egg, look at this. That is the yeast that has proofed, it's foamed up and it's ready to go into your dry ingredients. Okay. And what I'm going to also add is some olive oil and some warm water to make it all come together into a dough. I'm going to use my hands, and here goes. Just mix it all together. You can do this in a mixer, in a food processor if you so wish, but it's just easy enough to do it with your hands. It's a little bit messy, but that doesn't matter. Okay, Maya, hold that slowly.
All of it?
Slowly. This is the dough that is going to be able to make 5 different delicious items out of it.
Some
more water, please, on the sides there. Yep.
All of it?
Yeah. There you go. So the dough has come together. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to rest it in a warm place, preferably a warm oven. And that's going to proof. Proof again means it's going to rise. So it's going to double in quantity. So I've got a bowl ready here to put the dough into.
You put oil in it.
It's an oiled bowl. Just a little bit more.
Water.
Hot water, yeah. Just water.
From the kettle?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just need a little bit more water.
All from the kettle or some from the kettle and some from the...
Just get the kettle here.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, there. And that is the last. And like I said, this is just my recipe. It's my throw together recipe, as I call it. This may not be the actual way to make pizza. So all your pizza professionals out there, you know, don't take it too personally. This is just my homemade recipe. It works, and that's the main thing. Okay, so that's the dough. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave it in the oiled bowl. That's like that. And Marian is going to put some cello wrap onto the bowl, please. I'm just going to wash my hands.
If you could tear this apart.
So that's, you just cover it with some cello wrap. And we're going to leave this to proof in a warm area, roughly for about half an hour to 40 minutes. Now, if you want to make bread, you do need to proof it twice. So you proof it once, and then you knead it with some flour, and then you put it into your baking pan, your loaf tin, and then you proof it again for another hour until it comes up and rises up. Once it's risen the second time, then we're going to bake it. If you want to use it for pizza, you're just going to use it straight away after the first proof. So the first proof is when it will double in size and fill up the bowl. And you can straight away use that for pizza. You can use it for the donuts that we made. Look at those. Those are cinnamon sugar donuts. My family loves them. We also made some cinnamon rolls. Bagels. You can make bagels. And of course, bread. Now this, like I said, it's not like as soft as your store-bought bread, but it is lovely. It's delicious. It's a bit denser. It's more home style. So I'm going to keep this in the oven and in a warm oven just to proof and double in size. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's my basic yeast dough that you can use for 5 different things. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe, and hope to see you soon on my next video. Thanks, bye.